He's putting the stabilizers down. There it is. There's the stabilizer. Yeah. Oh, the other stabilizer's down in the back. Now he's working on the other side. He's getting it set up to do some work. Let's get a good close look and see if we can see him working. Oh, there he is. I can see his orange helmet. Well, it looks like they're going to take a little break. Or are they going to take a break? Wait, what's happening? Someone's getting up in the bucket. Ah, there he's going in the bucket. He's going to tie off. Oh, he's clipped in now so he can't fall out. Oh, there's his saw. He's going up and up and up. Higher and higher. He's got to be careful. There's power lines there. He has his hearing protection on. He's backing it around. Okay, he's all set up. He's going to go to work. Boom! Down comes the branch.
Everything all right?
Oh, yeah. My grandson goes crazy over this stuff. I had him down here this morning.
Okay.
We go over looking at construction vehicles. My wife has him out for lunch with his mom now. So I want to get this on, make a little video for him. He watches all kinds of stuff where people talk about what they're doing. Now, is that machine grounded or not?
Well, on the boom there, so far down, there's a piece that's non-insulated.
Okay.
So if it does come within contact with
Okay, so he's safe in the bucket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then anything below, right there where that big white piece is, where it goes from red to white to red,